Now take a look at this function where we get a variable and then we check that if this variable is less than or equals to 1, then echo these four statements and then return true, and in the else condition we return false. Now we have indented too many lines, and then in the else condition we just return a one line. Now to refactor this, we can simply go to the if condition, put your cursor on the if, and then press alt plus enter on your keyboard, and then click on invert if statement. Now the PHP storm automatically invert the if else condition, so we check that if the variable is more than 1, return false, and in the else condition we can simply remove the curly braces, and then we simply echo the statements at the end and return true. So basically, if you want to refactor your code, try to indent less codes in the if condition, and then for the else condition you don't need any kind of curly braces here.